Turn your MacBook Trackpad into a digital drawing tablet with SonarPen Budget Creative Hack. Imagine turning your trusty MacBook into a mini art studio, no fancy tablet needed. Last year, the SonarPen 2 made waves by offering an affordable, pressure-sensitive stylus for iPads, but now, the company is taking things a step further. With the new SonarPen driver, your MacBook's sizable trackpad can become a full-fledged drawing tablet. Apple's laptops are no strangers to impressive trackpads that are big enough to sketch on, so why not? While it might not match the comfort of a dedicated drawing tablet, this solution is far more budget-friendly and super portable. Priced at just $43 and compatible via USB-C, you can easily slip it into your bag, along with your MacBook. Getting started is straightforward. The stylus works with a brand new driver compatible with macOS 11 and newer. If you already own a SonarPen from the 2018 lineup with a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can still use it. Just grab an inexpensive adapter for around $9.45. What's more, this stylus isn't limited to Macs. It's previously supported iPads, Android devices, Chromebooks, and even the Nintendo Switch, so chances are, you might already have one lying around. The SonarPen also works seamlessly with popular apps like Adobe Photoshop, Krita, GIMP, Clip Studio Paint, ArtRage, and Medibank Paint Pro, making digital art more accessible than ever. Plus, it features a handy shortcut button and allows you to customize pressure sensitivity to suit your style. So, if you're looking to explore digital drawing or just want a smarter way to use your MacBook's trackpad, check out the SonarPen for USB-C. It's a simple, affordable trick to unlock new creative possibilities without breaking the bank.